How do you make a volcano? The hypothesis of this experiment is to observe the chemical changes through the use of baking soda and vinegar. Okay, so you're going to combine some vinegar, water, washing up liquid, and 2 drops of food colouring into an empty water bottle. Use a spoon to mix the baking soda with some water until it turns into a liquid slurry. Pour the baking soda slurry into the water bottle quickly and step back. As soon as I added the baking soda slurry to the water bottle, an eruption took place. This happened because a chemical reaction between vinegar and baking soda creates a gas called carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the same type of gas used to make the carbonation in fizzy drinks. What happens if you shake a fizzy drink? The gas gets very excited and tries to spread out. There's not enough room in the bottle for the gas to spread out, so it leaves through the opening very quickly, causing an eruption.